Hello, I'm Liu Chiahao. Today I will briefly introduce our project, the Union Cinemas Management System. This system, a TCP6114 course project, digitizes cinemas management. It's called Future in Cloud Convenience Ticket Booking, persistent data storage in a text file, and sales history review. Developed with C++ and OOP, it ensures reliability, thought input validation, and a user-friendly interface.
And I'll be presenting for the first part. And today we are presenting about our Union Cinema Management System. I'll be handling this part, focusing on architecture foundation of our project. Our goal was to move away from manual recording keeping and create a structured digital environment. To achieve this, we must design a robust object-oriented programming to ensure our code is modular, reusable, and easy to maintain, rather than just being a long sequential script. The first requirement of our project is to implement classes. We, we started with film data and ticket office. For the film data, this class acts as a blueprint for every movie. It encapsulates two key attributes: the film title and the ticket price. By using a constructor, we can efficiently initialize different movies with their specific pricing data, market, making the system scalable for future film edition. Next is our primary controller, the ticket office. This is where the core management happens. It contains a private member called record storage. By keeping this private, we demonstrate data hiding, one of the pillars of operating programming (OOP). This ensures the film name under cinemabooking.txt cannot be accidentally modified by other part of the program. It protects the integrity of our data. This class hosts our main function, display showtime. Execute booking and show transition history. Finally, I want to highlight a specific function inside Ticket Office called Fetch User Choices. A common issue in C++ is the infinite loop. It causes a user input a letter instead of a number. We applied critical thinking by creating this filter. It uses scene.clear and scene.ignore to flush the error buffer. This ensures our system is robust and user-friendly, meeting the excellent criteria requirement. Now I'll pass to Cole for his part of presentation where he will explain about his stuff.
I'm Kosun Chen. Today, I will present the core functionality of the Union Cinema Management System. My focus is on how we can handle the actual ticket booking process and ensure that the data is saved permanently. So the first thing is the staff member need to see what movie are available now. So we created the function that's called display show times. So instead of hard coding this is in the main menus. We encapsulated is in our ticket office class is provided a screen formatted list of movie like Minion, Dragon Ball, Kung Fu Panda, along with the price and the start the show. And then this ensure the staff can give accurate information to the customer before they start booking before they start booking the ticket. So next, one a customer choose a movie, the execute booking function will takes over. This is the most important functions in our applications. So we use a switch case segment to match the user's movie ID and movie ID input with the correct price and title stored in our film data object. Yes. For example, if the user enter the ID number one, the system will automatically assign the price with 12 ringgit and then we'll correct the item names and the contact number using the scene in noise to create the buffer, ensuring that the name with space are recorded correctly. So next, now the most critical part of this section is file handling. So uh, the file handling as the project requirements. So we must store the data in text format files. So in our code, I use the offstrings library with the iOS append flags. So the F stand for the appends. This is a critical thinking choice. If we did not use it, if we did not use the flags, every new booking will delete the previous one. So by using this one mode, we ensure that the every transactions is added to the end of the cinema booking txt file. So creating a continuous history cells. Once the data is written, the program provide a success message to the users confirming the record is safe now. So thank you.
Here is actual code for the function. We start by opening the file with its frame. We immediately check if the opening was successful. If not, we inform the user and exit. If it was successful, we enter a log using getLine to read each line of the file one by one and print it out the screen. Finally, we choose the file to free up resource. Now let's move on the main function, the brain of our program. This is where anything come together. Its responsibility for keeping the program running, showing the menu, and directing the user to the right feature based on their input. This is a simply version of the main function. The do while true loop keeps the program alive. Inside the loop, we get the user's choice and use an if-else structure to decide what to do next. If they choose one or two, we run the responsive function and look back to the menu. If they choose three, we print a message and use the break statement to escape the loop, leading to a clean program exit with run with return 0. And here's the flowchart for the main control loop. it starts show the menu gets input and the elder execute a function and loops back or exits the program if the user choose option 3. This visual really captures how the program maintains its state and response to the user. Finally, let's discuss the shutdown process. A clean exit is important. Our programs only shut down when the user asks it to by pressing 3. We then use a break to stop the main loop, print a friendly message, and the main function ends with run return 0, telling the system anything closed properly. Thanks. Next, I will pass to the demo part.
I'm Yoganan and I'll be presenting about demonstration of my system. My system is Cinema Management System. This is how I use my code to satisfy all. This shows how I use my code to satisfy all requirements. For the first part, I want to talk about is this class. I already my system has two classes, which is film data and ticket office. For the film data, it saves all the data of the movies in it, while for the ticket office, it's for the act as our control, where we will keep for all the ticketing and all the other stuffs. As you can see here, we use the execute booking uh, to execute booking function to shows that we use the usage of this can help us with our logic not being cluttered. Nextly, I'll start the demonstration of the system. This is our menu, which consists of booking new ticket, view sales history, and system shutdown. To book our ticket, we can just click one, and then choose the movie, which consists of Minion, Dragon Ball, and Kung Fu Panda. We can choose one of these. So I want to choose Minion, so I click one, and then the requirement to enter a name. So I will just enter a name and then a contact number. Okay, I enter the contact number. When I enter, it will save to the text file .txt under cinema booking. So later on, I will show you the saved data. For now, I want to show another thing of in our system is error handling. So as if like this menu, there's only three choices: 1, 2, 3. What if a user enter 4? The system will prompt system error. Also, if they enter other than any other numbers like words, it will prompt input 1, 2, 3 only. So now we will see the the selected the movies, the one will be saved. So when I click to view sales history, it will shows that this is the sales history previously what I've done, and this is for this now what I inserted. And then to shut down, now I will show you how it's stored into the text file. While in text file, you will go into this here under text dot text. So when you open this, it should show the data that is saved. See, this is then this number. That's it for my part for demonstration.
In conclusion, the Union Cinemas Management System effectively digitizes and streamlines cinemas operation, providing a robust and efficient alternative to manual management. Thanks for watching.